Alright, hey, what's up guys? So today I got something way different for you. I know it's super random, but I wanted to show you guys how to make crunch wrap. So we made these a few days ago and they're really good. So I was like, I'll do a video and maybe, somebody will benefit from it. So I'll definitely be doing that black powder pistol video here pretty soon. Alright, so what we got going on is we'll just, you can mainly do whatever toppings you want. What I have is ground beef, or actually this is ground venison from that hunting video that I did. Refried beans, cheese, sour cream, whatever kind of cheese this is, the sauce type cheese.
Nacho cheese.
Nacho cheese, and then salsa. So what you're gonna want to do is grab a 12-inch flour tortilla, get about a spoonful of beans on here. You're gonna be putting a lot of layers on here and you don't want it to build up too thick. And then you take one of these hard shell
tostada.
Tostada. Get a few spoonfuls of ground beef, ground venison, whatever. Put it on there. Then here's where I add the shredded cheese. Alright, so at this point I put on one more hard shell, add some lettuce. So kind of like a little bit before you start making these. It works really good if you have like a cast iron griddle, or honestly just like a skillet would work too, but I just turn that on medium. You can put whatever toppings on that you like. I would put black olives on it. I love black olives, but we don't have any. And put some nacho cheese on there. And then I like to put on a little bit of salsa too. At this point, this bottom tortilla isn't big enough to completely cover the top, so you can also get these really small 6-inch tortillas and it works out perfect. And then here's the important part. You just go around, take all these edges, just fold it up. What I do is I just kind of hold those down, then you get a little bit of butter. Melt that butter on that griddle and it'll keep these edges folded. So you'll start it by just flipping it upside down. I kind of smear it around a little bit, get the butter all over that. Obviously you don't want to burn them, so just check them every so often. You just want to get it to where it's slightly browned underneath of there. Oh yeah, there we go. Alright, so we'll flip it, let it cook for a little bit on that side so you can see the edges kind of seared themselves. We'll just get the bottom slightly browned and we'll be good to go. Okay, looks good. Put it on your favorite paper plate. There you go, crunch wrap. It's so good. Then if you want, you can cut it in half. Oh yeah. What's up, my homies? Do you like your crunch wraps?
Yeah.
Oh, is it all gone?
Silas is flying in the picture.
What do you guys think? Is that a hit?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Say, I love crunch wraps.
I love crunch wraps. I love crunch wraps.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you out in the range with that black powder pistol in the next video.